about? Kiss, 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 kiss. You're really tired. I think you're tired.
Oke, jika kalian suka dengan video ini, jangan lupa ya, tekan tombol subscribe-nya dan aktifkan tombol loncengnya supaya kalian bisa mengetahui informasi terbaru dari channel kami. Terima kasih.
Welcome to the Cocoon's family. One of the members of our family is Riley. I would like you to introduce you to our special talkative pet named Riley. Riley is an Eclectus parrot. He likes to talk with you and loves to play peekaboo. And he's a very funny bird. Riley, talk to me. It's computer. That's not funny. I beg your pardon? Oh, he likes to whistle when the saints go marching. And he likes to sing too. And he likes to play peekaboo. Peekaboo. Okay, peekaboo. Okay, darling. Hello, how are you? Say hello to everyone. Hello? Oh, he loves to say twinkle, twinkle, little. Oh, very good. That's nice. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Oops. Oh, you want to kiss? More kisses? Oh, he loves to laugh. Praise the Lord. Okay, praise the Lord. Amen. Amen. Huh? Huh?
Drink?
Yeah?
Drink?
Yes, drink. Would you like a drink?
Want a drink?
Yes, please.
Coffee?
Yes, please. Where's my coffee?
Yum.
Yum, I love it.
Yum.
Yes, that's nice.
Do you like a drink?
Yes, I like my drink.
Do you like a meal?
Sorry?
I'm sorry.
Oh, what have you done?
What do you mean?
You didn't do anything.
Why are you staring?
Why am I staring at you? I'm just looking at you. You look so beautiful.
Come here.
Okay, what do you want?
I love you.
I love you too, sweetie.
I love you much.
Yes, I love you very much. I love you very much.
1, 2, 3.
More, come on. Where is your 4 and 5?
4.
You tired? Oh, I'm sorry. Do you want to go to bed now?
Just the bed.
Okay, you can go to bed now.
3, 4.
3, 4. Oh, poor thing. You're tired.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, what's wrong?
I love you much.
Oh yeah, I love me very much. Very much.
You're my turn.
Huh?
I love you more.
Merv is in bed already. He's in bed.
Gone.
Sorry?
What? Who cared?
Who cared? Oh my gosh, where did you learn that?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, darling.
What did I do there?
Huh?
What is it? What?
Alright.
True?
I don't know what you're talking about. Kiss, 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 kiss. You're really tired. I think you're tired.